seeing how this sounding like, because like I never record stuff like this before, bro. So it was like, hey, this soca thing don't sound too bad,
No, it sounds really good, man.
Yeah.
It sounds really good, and again, going in the groovy vibe, it's just perfect to start the summer with.
Yeah, for sure, man. Authentic. I produced it too. Yeah, and some everything. There's the guitar on it is Januar Coleman. Okay. So I got a Arubiano in there too, laying down the guitar. Sort of the vibes is just nice, man. Fully created here and sweet.
You have a local band as well, right?
The Nayamari. Yeah.
How is it going? With the band
excellent,
and with
bro. Excellent. The band is there. The band is solid. Look, I put in the work. I remember one of the first times I came to an interview with you. I think I told you back then already. I had put in a lot of time getting the band ready. Being prepared for the shows that I was doing back then. So with this show coming up now, like a certain amount of it was already just good to go, no doubt.
Okay.
I had to add some new stuff like the soca stuff, especially a festival like Flip Flop with Kes on it and Michael Teja. It just feel like it's the ideal situation to mix it up and diversify the set with some stuff like that too.
Okay.
So we had to put in some work just on that part for sure to play the soca songs now with the Nayamari, you know what I mean? So yeah, but we get that ready, bro. We completely good to go, 100,000%.
Awesome, man. This song, Sign Language, kind of gives me the question: will we see some type of EP or album with all soca songs? What's the plan?
Yeah, bro. That is actually a couple people mentioned that to me already, and that's probably a great idea. I got projects that I'm busy with now.
Okay.
Right. I producing an EP for a different artist for Big Shed. I busy wrapping up basically a reggae EP that I doing with a European producer.
Wow.
One is Rehcarge. So that's going to be coming too. And then in between, I be making these soca things. So eventually, if I have enough, it might be interesting to like put out an actual package and say, here is my soca project.
Your soca project.
Yeah.
Awesome. Group is a soca island as well, and I think I've asked you this question before. Now with the split in category, because you have the more like a speed up soca, and you have the groovy soca category. The previous releases have all been groovy soca.
Yeah.
Will we see you someday, or maybe even next year in the contest, man?
Yeah. I mean, in the contest, I guess I could. I wouldn't say no. Let me say it like that. I ain't saying I can't say I'm gonna do that for sure. But I definitely won't say no, man. When it's so ver is, like the Dutch people say, and Carnival time coming around again, then I'll
probably think about that.
Give it some real thought and see.
Awesome.
I think they should raise the prize, the level of the prize. Because let me tell you something, bro. I just recently found out, because I didn't know.
Okay.
I just Googled what the prize was in Trinidad. Because Michael Teja coming, right? And he won this year with the DNA track. So just out of curiosity, I thought, let me Google and see how much they actually... Bro, you know how much they win in Trinidad? 250 grand US, my man.
That's a lot.
I think that's some pretty good. That's some motivation to participate, right? Like,
Yeah. And I think if that eventually happens, it's gonna attract more international people as well.
Yeah, and I think even local people would take it even more serious. You know what I'm saying? You would be even more incentivized to do this thing as perfect as possible. Look, I understand that Aruba ain't as big. Trinidad got like 1 million people. So Aruba ain't big like that, so it could never be on that level. But still, if I think they could incentivize the people more.
Yes, man.
In terms of price,
yeah, definitely. But then again, and I really think that eventually that needs to happen. So if it's part of a sponsorship or whatever way it happens, I think
whichever way. I think just for your own music culture, bro. Because I kind of, because all of this soca stuff was happening, it's only now I went to look into how these things work, what people making, and I realized even Corsao with their Tumba thing is significantly more than what the guys win here. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
I feel if you want to motivate them and give them incentive to really uplift the craft so that the quality of the Aruba music in general goes up,
Of course.
then give them some more incentive. Man.
And the most important thing, to make a song like that, to go in a contest, it's not cheap.
Yeah,
expensive.
yeah, and definitely. If you can't do it, you know, not every singer is a producer.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
so
yeah.
if you need someone to produce the song and write the song, and they have to invest also just to take part.
Exactly.
You know, so definitely, man. Let's push for that. You know
Let's
what I'm
push
saying?
for that. But what's more important is to push sign language. Ziggy, invite.
Yeah.
Ruben
Sign
Crowd.
Language is my brand new single. Is gonna be out officially May 7th. So that's next week, Friday. But you're gonna be hearing it right here with Brian on Cool FM, you know, in advance. So you don't know. Check out my new thing coming soon. I got some more news for y'all. Fun of this Friday, actually, is gonna be available exclusively on my website 1 week before the official
The
release.
official
date.
release.
Yeah. So if you want to
Wow.
buy or stream it, hear it, anything, go to Ziggi-Recado.com and it'll be there officially this Friday.
Officially. We're going to launch it one more time. Ziggy, thank you for joining us.